Mabuhay everyone, Pablo here. We see them every day on their bikes and scooters. Either nagde-deliver sila ng pagkain or yung mga packages natin. Pero bukod sa sasakyan, may mas importante pa silang kailangan sa pang-araw-araw nila, cellphone. So today we're going to find out what riders need from their phones to be able to use it every day. Tara, tanungin na natin sila.
Yung battery, kasi siyempre kailangan ko sa trabaho yung mas matagal yung battery na hindi mabilis malobat. Kasi nga yun nga, nag-grab ako, kailangan ko ng battery para hindi agad ako malobat. Para mas magamit ko siya na matagal. Pero kahit umaabot ng isang buong araw siya, parang ganun. Kasi minsan nalolobat agad ako pag mga 6 hours na ako nasa biyahe. Medyo palobat na talaga ako. Umuwi pa ako minsan para kumuha pa ng charge muna ako.
Unang-una yung matagal malobat, saka syempre yung quality, yung tibay. Kasi lagi naka-expose sa araw, saka sa ulan. Sa display, yung syempre hindi naman nahuhuli sa mga ibang cellphone ngayon. Mas preferred namin yung medyo compact size na.
Para sa akin po, bilang isang Grab rider, yung matagal po yung life ng battery kasi matagal po kaming bumibiyahe. Pag malobat kasi wala kaming kikitain. Tsaka malakas po yung signal ng GPS kasi pag pumapasok po kami sa mahina yung signal, halimbawa sa mall, hindi po kami nakakakuha ng yung booking po eh. Kaya wala po kaming biyahe, pag ganun. Salamat. Okay na tayo. Salamat. Salamat po marami. Malaking tulong po sa akin to kasi hiniram ko lang yung cellphone ko eh. Sa asawa ko eh. Kaya isa lang po yung cellphone namin eh. Salamat po. Salamat po marami. Bago na oh. Sarap. Sarap gamitin to sa Grab. Opo, ang laki. Kasi pag halimbawa nagbibiyay po kami, pag malayo, tingin ka ng tingin, hindi mo makita masyado yung pag nagwi-wish map po.
Tecno is a premium smartphone brand that believes that we should stop at nothing to get the best and be the best. With their newest phone, the Pova Neo, they want to do just that. To give you the best specs and features and all at the best value. The Pova Neo is powered by a Helio G25 octa-core processor. It runs on Android 11 underneath Tecno's own HiOS operating system. It also features dual SIM slots, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and fast Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. But here are what set the Tecno Pova Neo apart from the rest, starting with the screen. The Pova Neo has a huge 6.8-inch HD Plus display. It features a drop display and a notch design that also houses the front camera module. The screen size alone makes you feel that you're holding a flagship model. Next comes the battery. The Pova Neo features a massive 6,000 mAh battery. That means you can play games, watch videos, or surf the internet all for a long time without having to worry about your remaining battery life. And if you do manage to run out of juice, the Pova Neo has an 18-watt flash charge, which means you'll get your battery life back up in less time. The Pova Neo comes in two variations, and with them, different storage and memory sizes are available. You can pick between a 64GB storage, 4GB RAM configuration, or one that comes with 128GB and 6GB of RAM. The choice is yours. Like we said, the Pova Neo has these features and even more that bring it up to top-of-the-line status. But how is it priced compared to all the other flagships out in the market? Well, get this. The 64GB model is priced at only 5,999 pesos, and the 128GB model comes in at just 6,999 pesos. Now, how's that for great value for money? So you see, we don't have to look far or spend much para lang makuha natin ang gusto at ang kailangan natin sa mga mobile phone natin. At hindi lang para sa riders and drivers ang Pova Neo. It is all for the hardworking individuals like our teachers, medical frontliners, and all those who power through their day all day. When it comes to screen size, battery life, storage space, malinaw na camera, and most importantly, great value for money, meron na tayo niyan dito. With the Tecno Pova Neo, you get all of those features without having to deal with more well-known flagship prices. At the end of the day, that's what's important. We have what we need, we have what we want, so we can stop at nothing to make our work and our daily tasks a lot easier. And you can do that and more with the Tecno Pova Neo.